Hi guys! Yes, I'm back in your face with my pretty sister Oge's Kitchen.
Hello.
You can follow her on Instagram. She has wonderful recipes and pictures. And if you've not seen any of my videos before now, just click the link up here and you get to see some interesting videos from my channel. And if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Oreoluwa. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always being there, and I do see your comments. Today we have an interesting from scratch recipe we want to make. It's a local food, it's healthy, it's a healthy option, low calories, but still feel it's a good food whenever you eat it.
Yes.
And when I say from scratch, I mean from scratch. More like from farm to the table. So I'll let Oge take over and she's gonna take us through.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be learning how to make plantain fufu. What you need is extra green plantains. You can make as many as you want and I'll show you in a minute. First things, you chop off the edges of the plantain and you slice it open. Next, you chop it up into little chunks. Doesn't matter, doesn't have to be cubed, just good enough to go into the blender. So next I'm going to add some water. Right here I have 1 cup of water. You're gonna add little by little until the consistency is smooth. Watch me. I'm gonna add half a cup for starters. We're trying to get it to a puree, so I'm going to use the puree option. You could also use mix or liquefy. As you can see, I need a little more water, so I'm going to add my entire 1 cup of water and blend. For those who know how to make moi moi or kara, you're going to blend it till it's as smooth as moi moi. Next, we're ready to cook. Now the secret to making the perfect plantain fufu is you're going to let it cook until the color changes from white to brown, almost a golden brown. So you begin to stir this for 5 to 7 minutes, or depending on the quantity of your plantain fufu, until it is golden brown. It's simple but magical, and it's light, it's fluffy, it's delicious. It's a happy medium between amala and inyo. Has that amala kind of consistency. Super healthy. So you're gonna watch me stir this over and over again. After about 1 minute of stirring up, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of water and I'll let it cook on medium to low heat. Reducing the heat, and I'm going to add a little bit of water and I'm going to let it cook low enough so it doesn't burn for 1 to 2 minutes. And we're back. As you can see, our fufu is starting to take the consistency of a brownish color versus the whitish color we had earlier. So you're just going to keep turning it around for another 5 minutes. The mark to know when it's cooked is when you taste it and it doesn't have that raw taste. And it's gone from white to totally brown. I'm going to give it another 2 minutes. So really, it's almost ready. I'm going to taste it. So it's been about 5 minutes of stirring continuously to avoid burning. I'm going to taste it to make sure it doesn't have the raw taste. It's perfect. It's smooth, it's rich, it's green, made from green plantains, and we're ready to serve this plantain. Hi guys, welcome back. So you learned today how to make plantain fufu from scratch. And it takes less than 10 minutes. You blend it, you put the water proportionally, you put it on the fire, you stir for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And that's it. You can eat your plantain fufu with eforiro, egusi, ofe nsala, any type of soup you want. Now I'm gonna invite my friend from the food place to come and taste to see if this is really a happy medium between inyo and amala.
Well, let's move it up a little bit so you can see what we're about tasting.
Delicious plantain fufu.
Okay, so I think you were talking about a secret.
Yes.
So making this stay up.
Yes. Once you cook it, if you're gonna put it in a wrap, make sure you sprinkle water on your foil wrap, on your nylon wrap before you drop it in, so you don't have that sticky feel.
Water or vegetable oil?
Water.
Okay.
And then give it about 2-3 minutes to cool off before you unwrap it and start eating.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
This is a good fufu, I'm telling you.
A silky, and you would not even know that it's made from plantain.
Plantain, green
no
plantain.
aftertaste. Nothing.
You should try it at home, my friends.
Remember, guys, I always tell you, anything I can make myself, I'll find someone to make it.
That's right.
That's why it's called the food place. Oh my goodness. In case you're watching me and you're not subscribed to this channel, please can you click the subscribe button on this screen, and I have other interesting recipes by clicking on this link up here. Till next time, choose wisely and stay blessed. Bye.